Everyone loves cashew nuts, but almost no one realizes a dangerous and complex journey hidden behind every single bite. Those crunchy, buttery snacks you casually eat don't disappear in stores. They come from a process filled with risk, precision, and intense labor. Welcome back to Machines Visit Today. We're diving deep into the world of cashews. And trust me, this story is far more shocking than you expect. Every year, the world produces nearly 3.9 million tons of cashews. But behind that massive number lies a hidden reality most people never see. And here's the twist. Cashews don't grow like normal nuts. Instead of being safely tucked inside a shell, they grow outside a fruit called a cashew apple, hanging exposed like a vulnerable target. But the real danger is inside the shell. It contains toxic oils, cardyl and anacardic acid, chemicals so harsh they can burn human skin. That means before a cashew becomes edible, it must survive a process that neutralizes its own natural defense system. And that's where things get complicated. Cashew trees thrive in hot tropical regions like Ivory Coast, India, Vietnam, and Nigeria, where conditions are perfect for growth. These trees are tough, drought-resistant, and start producing nuts within just a few years. But harvesting isn't as simple as picking fruit. Farmers don't pluck cashews. They wait. They wait for the moment when the nuts fall naturally to the ground, signaling full maturity. And when that moment comes, the race begins. Workers move quickly through orchards, collecting the fallen nuts by hand, while in larger farms, machines sweep through fields, gathering them in bulk. But here's the catch. The cashew apple is often discarded, even though it can be turned into juice or alcohol. The real prize is the nut. Before anything else, the nuts must be dried under the sun for days. Skip this step, and mold can destroy entire batches. Once dried, they are stored and transported to factories, where the real transformation begins. And this is where things get intense. The first stage, cleaning, removes dirt and stones, preparing the nuts for the most critical step, steaming. High-pressure steam is used to soften the shell and neutralize the toxic oils. Without this, handling cashews would be dangerous. But even after steaming, the risk isn't gone. The shelling process must be done with extreme care. Machines crack open the shell, but the kernels inside are fragile. One mistake can break them, reducing their value instantly. That's why many factories still rely on human workers, carefully extracting each kernel by hand. But the process doesn't end there. Each kernel is still wrapped in a thin husk, which must be removed through additional drying and peeling. Then comes sorting, a stage where precision defines profit. Machines scan the nuts, separating them by size and color. Larger, lighter cashews are considered premium, while smaller or darker ones are used for processing. But here's the truth. Even with advanced machines, humans still make the final call, because perfection cannot be left entirely to automation. Finally, the cashews are either roasted or packed raw. Roasting enhances flavor and removes any remaining impurities, while vacuum packaging locks in freshness for global distribution. But just when you think the journey ends, it actually begins much earlier. Growing cashews requires careful planning, selecting the right seedlings, preparing the soil, and managing water, nutrients, and pests over several years. Farmers must constantly monitor tree health, prune branches, and protect crops from disease. It's a slow, demanding process that requires patience and precision. And when you step back and see the full picture, from toxic shells to global markets, you realize something powerful. Cashews aren't just snacks. They're the result of a dangerous, complex system driven by human effort and precision. So the next time you eat a handful of cashews, remember, behind that simple taste lies a journey far more intense than you ever imagined. And just when you think the journey of nuts couldn't get any more precise, another level of engineering takes over. This time, we step into vast walnut orchards, where harvesting is no longer about manual effort. It's about control power. The moment walnuts reach peak maturity, massive tree shakers move into action. These machines don't just shake trees randomly. They grip them with padded arms, protecting the bark while generating perfectly calibrated vibrations. And here's the twist. The force must be exact. Too weak, and the walnuts stay on the tree. Too strong, and the tree itself can be damaged. But when done right, it looks almost unreal. Ripe walnuts raining down while everything else stays untouched. It's precision at its finest. But once they hit the ground, the race isn't over. Specialized sweepers move in, using rotating brushes to gather the scattered walnuts into clean, organized rows. It may look simple, but it's carefully engineered. The brushes are soft enough to prevent damage, yet strong enough to collect every single nut, even on uneven terrain. Because missing even a small percentage can mean major losses at this scale. Then comes the next stage, collection. Modern harvesters glide through the rows, lifting walnuts onto conveyor systems that carry them smoothly into storage bins. No suction, no chaos, just continuous, controlled movement. And within minutes, what was scattered across acres is now neatly stored and ready for transport. But here's where the real transformation begins. Inside processing facilities, walnuts go through a system designed for perfection. First, they are cleaned, removing dirt, stones, and debris. Then the outer husk is stripped away, revealing the shell beneath. But even now, they're not ready. The walnuts are washed using high-pressure jets and rotating brushes, ensuring every surface is spotless. And then comes a critical stage, drying. Specialized ovens carefully remove moisture while preserving the natural flavor and texture of the kernel inside. Skip this step, and the entire batch risks spoilage. But even after drying, the process doesn't slow down. Advanced sorting systems categorize walnuts by size, quality, and purpose. Some are packed whole, ready for consumers. Others move forward for further processing. And this is where precision reaches another level. Shelling machines crack open the hard outer layer, but here's the challenge. Apply too much force and the kernel shatters. Too little, and the shell remains intact. Every movement must be perfectly calibrated. Once opened, the kernels pass through air blowers and vibrating systems, removing even the smallest fragments of shell. But the final test belongs to technology. Laser scanners analyze thousands of walnuts per minute, detecting imperfections invisible to the human eye. Only the best pass through. And finally, the kernels are weighed, sealed, and packaged, ready to travel across the world. But when you step back and look at this entire journey, from trees shaking in orchards to lasers scanning every kernel, you realize something powerful. This isn't just farming. It's a system of precision, timing, and technology working together flawlessly. So the next time you eat walnuts, remember, behind that simple snack lies a process far more intense than you ever imagined. And just when you think the story of nuts ends with harvesting, the real journey of growth and perfection begins long before that moment. Because every harvest starts with decision, when and how to plant. As the soil warms and moisture reaches a perfect balance, farmers move in with precision machinery, carving straight, evenly spaced furrows into the earth. Each walnut sapling is placed carefully, almost like setting the foundation of a future empire. But here's the twist. Planting is the easy part. Keeping these trees alive and productive for years is where the real challenge begins. Automated irrigation systems deliver just the right amount of water, while specialized mowing machines silently cut away weeds without disturbing the roots. At the same time, high-tech sprayers distribute protective treatments across every inch of the tree, defending it from pests and disease. It's a constant battle between nature and control. And then, months later, the focus shifts to another valuable crop, pecans. When harvest season arrives between October and November, everything accelerates. Farmers know this window is short, and missing it means losing quality and profit. Tree shakers return, gripping trunks with hydraulic precision and unleashing powerful vibrations that send ripe pecans raining to the ground. But here's the delicate part. The force must be perfectly balanced. Too much, and the tree suffers. Too little, and the harvest fails. Once on the ground, sweepers and row gatherers move in, organizing the fallen pecans into neat lines. It looks simple, but it's engineered efficiency. Every nut matters. Then harvesters glide across the rows, lifting pecans with conveyor systems while powerful fans remove dust and debris in real time. It's a seamless operation where nothing is wasted. But the journey doesn't stop there. The pecans are quickly transported to processing plants, because time now becomes the biggest enemy. Delay can mean spoilage. Inside the factory, a highly controlled system takes over. The nuts are cleaned, stripped of impurities, and passed through powerful air systems that remove even the smallest particles. Then comes sterilization, A critical step where bacteria and contaminants are eliminated using carefully controlled chemical solutions, followed by hot water washing. It's intense but necessary. After that, the pecans enter industrial dryers where temperature and humidity are precisely managed to reduce moisture to just 4 to 5%. This isn't just drying, it's preservation. Then comes one of the most delicate stages, shelling. Machines apply just enough pressure to crack the shell without damaging the kernel inside. One mistake, and the product loses value instantly. After shelling, the nuts are sorted using advanced scanning systems that detect imperfections invisible to the human eye. But here's the reality. Even with all this technology, human workers still make the final decisions, because perfection demands a human touch. Finally, the pecans are packaged, labeled, and prepared for global markets. But when you step back and look at the entire journey, from planting saplings to high-tech processing, you realize something powerful. This isn't just farming. It's a system built on patience, precision, and constant control. So the next time you eat pecans or walnuts, remember, behind that simple taste lies years of effort, technology, and a process far more intense than you ever imagined. And if this journey changed the way you see it, don't forget to subscribe, and stay with us, because there's always more happening behind the scenes than you think.